So we're not working on that today. He's got a brake problem I'm gonna have to fix. I'm gonna put some calipers on this little Chevy, whatever it is. That's coming up next. Yeah, so this guy pulled out under its own power. Ran pretty good. Started up, it had a little hesitation when I first started, which, like I said, this thing ain't run in, I know, 10 years. But backed out, no problem, pulled itself out. One of my friends that was online there was worried about it, said it sounded funny. That was mostly on the camera the other day when it was running. This thing does have kind of like a solid lifter setup, but that's mostly just the way these camera mics pick it up. This thing actually in person doesn't sound that bad. It does have some exhaust leaks that need some work on, I can tell that, but we're probably gonna put a whole new exhaust on it anyway. So, but that's cool. So this one will be coming back real soon, but like I said, he's got to get these calipers on him. He's got one sticking on him and stuff, and he asked me if I'd do it, so I'll do it.
You ain't gonna jack it up, are you?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll let you got me in there. Took me a good nap, buddy, today.
I figured. We put them on that tight, they about stripped them on.
Walmart, I told you.
You about stripped that one on you, that open one. Barely. At least that didn't stick in there. Let's see what we got. Yep, 15 millimeter. That's what I was thinking. I can't remember. Guess I put it in there right here.
I don't think it's been took off there since I've had it, Jeff. I can't remember.
We have 15 either. It's just covered in dirt. Must be a 14. Kind of weird. In that box. Eat my Wheaties this morning.
One of the bolt trays is a trick, ain't they?
Yeah.
They come in a set.
Nah, I got that one free.
Oh yeah?
Somewhere before we was at one of the car shows we were at. That one was. That one's from Harbor Freight. That one right there's one we got one car shows.
Probably down at Louisville, wasn't it?
I think it was. You got a lot more stuff at Louisville.
Yeah, they was giving hats and everything away. Oh, what's his name?
Jason.
Jason's racking up.
Now you got a nice new truck. I seen one.
I seen that. Said he had to put steps on it. He's shorter than I am.
He's short. There we go. Well, caliper don't look that bad.
Need the other.
No, I need something to. I'm gonna squeeze on this one. Well, I got them here. Might as well change them, hadn't I?
Yeah. I can send them back, but you know how that goes.
Yeah.
It sticks like real hot, like some days like
I can tell it's got hot.
Yeah. It's sticking a little bit all the time because like when you stop at the red light, you're just supposed to have it free play in it when you take it back off.
Are you sure it ain't this pad stuck?
It might be. It's just that side right there doing it.
Let's look at this pad. You got a line right here.
Right there shows it's been rubbing on. Them rotors, Bubby, ain't 3 months old. You remember when I bought all them?
It's got hot, man. Look how bad it's cracked.
Yeah. Well, I told you when I called you out yesterday, the day before yesterday, I mean, it was like it had a knot on the toy.
Looks like his pad's sticking, guys. I'm gonna grind the ears of it and see if it'll slide a little better. That's better. Now after this bolt won't come off with my bare hands, I'll do this. If I can get it to slide on there. There we go. Makes life a little easier.
Make it look so easy.
It doesn't need to be that tight back. I don't know who's worked on this thing before. They really over tighten stuff. There's all it needs.
Yep.
I don't know who tightened that stuff. Nope.
Oh, you get it. Nah, that ain't none.
All right, so that's got it. Let's bleed it. Might not have to bleed it much.
You go and get in it.
Yeah. You ready?
Well, I don't know if I can get in or not, bud, to be honest with you. Bobby. Get off that next. Oh, yeah. I'm ready when you are.
Damn. Down. Let it up. Down. You might have to start it. Up. Down. Should be good. Shut it off. You got a pedal?
Yeah. Is that something rubbing on that?
Where?
Why it does that? You hear how it
Yeah, I told you what that was, didn't I?
Huh?
I told you what that was.
The fan?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, that's got him a brake on. It's got a good pedal. We've got it bled here. I don't know where that little cap went, but we'll be alright. Take one off the other one, maybe. Yeah, don't need it. But now we'll put the wheel back on it and call this one good. There's that cap. Well, you ain't gonna put the wheel back on as tight as they had it a while ago. I don't know how they didn't strip his studs. Everything on here, they had it like they was about to strip off, so. But it's got a caliper on this one. Hopefully he can drive it now. I'll put it in braking mode. Little tip on lug nuts. Spin them on first.
Yep.
There you go, strip them.
They ain't no sense in them putting it on there like that.
You definitely had them on.
Dad would do that too. Then he talked about Mom. I was like, Dad, Mom couldn't change the tires. She knows how to take the bolts off. You put them on tight.
I ain't no way I would have got these off without the impact. It barely took them off.
Probably wouldn't hurt to get some more plug bolts, would it?
These ain't in the best shape. I don't know what size they are. This one right here is terrible. It's about threaded out.
Yeah.
Can't get it to start hardly. There it goes. As far as I'm gonna get that in. Alright, I got him fixed up here. Got the little Subaru back in. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to put new shocks on it, do the conversion, because these are just like right on the ground. But the engine, like I said, is doing pretty good in it. So probably need to go through, put plugs and things like that in it, but get it tuned up. But worry about that when the time comes. I don't know how good quality this video is going to be. Like I said, it kept cutting out on me and stuff, and then you got him in here, you can't keep him quiet, so you know. But anyway, that's got him fixed up. Hopefully we can get back on this guy. Getting ready to start cutting her apart here and putting her back together. So I don't know if I'm going to put struts on it first. Y'all tell me down in the comments what you want to see. You want to see put struts on it first, or do you want to see us start cutting the floor pans out and putting them in? Start doing the welding on it? What do you think we should do first? Just tip me up there. Tell me what you think. Until then, just keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. keep rigging things up.